If you want to insert SIM card into POCO X8 Pro Max, first we're gonna take a look at the bottom of the phone. Over here we should be able to find the SIM tray, and there is also the SIM tray hole. We're gonna need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. So you can just put it into this SIM tray hole over here and then just push it into the phone in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Once it slightly pops out, you want to use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And after that, now we can insert our SIM cards, or just one SIM card, of course. So of course here we can see we have SIM card slot number 1. On the reverse side we have SIM card slot number 2, and now we just need to match the shape of the slot. So as I look at the SIM tray from this side, here we have this cut part in the upper left corner, so we need to make sure that we insert the card exactly the same way. It should go all the way in, it should not stick out or anything like that. So once you insert your SIM card or both of your SIMs, then of course afterwards we're gonna just put it back into the phone. So just slide it in, there we go, push it all the way in, make sure that it doesn't stick out, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.